gotta slow down, slow down. So much traffic cuts the flow down till they bring the highways up to date. You can bet your high compression we're gonna be late.
How sad, poor Dad.
Too bad.
We're stuck, tough luck.
Yuck, yuck.
While we're waiting around, singing the blues, turn on the radio for highway news.
Route 302.
Yeah?
It's hard to get through.
Oh.
405.
Yeah?
You'll never arrive.
No.
Route 509. You can't go wrong. They're bumper to bumper, but they're moving along.
Hey, I wonder what we'd hear if I'd turn on the switch and we're driving along in 1976. Hello, Tower. This is Firebird 2304. Firebird 2304. How are things on the safety autoway?
Tower to Firebird 2. Tower to Firebird 2. All traffic moving in normal pattern.
FB2 to Tower. We're heading for Chicago. Please route us through. Over.
Roger, FB2.
View screen map shows your location within our control zone.
You have your choice of two routes. Green line marks scenic route. Red line shorter route.
We're on vacation. Who wants to fly?
Yeah, that means green. I'll tell the guy. Firebird to Tower. We'll take the green.
Roger. Check your fuel and engine.
Check. Fuel supply 3/4 full. Good for 662 miles or 6 1/3 hours. Gas turbine compressor 31,000 RPM. Gas turbine transmission 26,500 RPM. Turbine inlet temperature 1450 degrees. Turbine exhaust temperature 350 degrees. We're all set for auto control.
Roger, Firebird 2. Move to electronic control strip in center lane. Synchronize your speed and direction.
Check. I'll tune speed first. Now I'll tune direction.
We're coming in on the beam, Dad.
Well done, Firebird 2. You're now under automatic control. Hands-off steering.
Here we go on the high-speed safety lane. Ah, this is the life. Safe, cool, comfortable. Mind if I smoke a cigar?
Oh, not with this wonderful air conditioning. Hey, you want some ice cream or a cool drink?
Orange juice, please.
Oh, me too.
I'm gonna go for the ice cream. Thank you, dear. Hey, there's a Firebird 1, the original gas turbine car. Runs pretty smooth for an old-timer. Here's our east-north interchange.
The safe, easy way to make a turn.
Gotta slow down, slow down. Mr. Sun is just about to go down. Hey, Mr. Tower Man, where do we light? Where do you suggest that we relax for the night? Okay, Firebird, I'll put you on the beam. The sunset in's a honey, and the hostess is a dream.
Good evening, modern travelers. Won't you be our guest? We have push button living at its very best. There's automatic sleep control in every bed, and our pre-digested food is cooked by infrared.
Okay, okay, we like what you say, Mr. Tower Man. Take us that way. Roger, Firebird, I'll swing you to the right. Hands on steering, Firebird, good night.